my channel. So today's video is going to be the first in a new series called, I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Actually, you'll know by the title by the time I upload this, but something like In the Craft Room with Erin. So at least once a week, I would really like to do one of these just candid, unrehearsed videos and just chit chat with you guys about maybe things I'm working on, maybe give you updated tours of the room I'm in now, which is my craft room, or show you anything new that I get and all that kind of fun stuff. Speaking of new things, this is the inspiration, I think, of this series. Well, actually the inspiration came with my craft room tour that I did last week, and I was so happy to finally get this room in shape and really start to have it be a functional space for me again. So that was my inspiration. Part two is I got a Cricut maker for a Valentine's Day gift, and I'm so grateful and so happy, and I cannot wait to start using this because I have so many ideas, and I feel actually I'm really amateur because I've never used a Cricut, period. So I'm gonna have to do lots of research here on YouTube, and the reason why I actually went with a maker is because one of my friends, she uses a Cricut, makes tons of amazing projects, and she sells them online, and she does such a great job. But when she was kind of advising me on which machine to choose, because none of them are a bad option, she just said that in her case, you know, she has used it so much and she's kind of grown with it that she wishes she had this one because this one can actually do more. And I guess as they come out with different components down the road, they're supposed to be compatible with this one. So we'll see, but I'm really excited, and I am somebody who absolutely loves to doodle and draw. So one of the things I really wanted to do with this machine was start to make my own stickers, and you know, just for personal use, I would like to make my own planner stickers, and if they come out decently, I don't know, maybe I'll do some giveaways or something here on my channel, but I definitely am just excited to dive in. So one thing that I got to go with this, and this isn't necessary, it's just something that I wanted to have to actually be able to put my drawings into digital form, and there's lots of ways to do that, but this just looked like a really great product. And this is a drawing tablet, and I will say I researched these, and this came as a recommendation from somebody who uses it on YouTube, and this is the Intuos Draw. Easily sketch and draw and paint on your computer. And so it's really cool. It comes with its own pen, so you don't have to buy anything separate, and you can literally just plug this right into your computer. You can start drawing, and you can start transforming your images into digital form. And so this is what the pad itself looks like. I'm just really excited about this because I don't know, it's just been a while since I felt really super creative about anything, and I just want to get back into, you know, some projects and things like that, because for me, crafting is definitely a total form of relaxation, because when I start to concentrate on a project and I get really into it, I kind of like go blank about other things. I'm just very focused, and it's very calming for me. So, you know, I work all day, 5 days a week, and I just feel like when I get home, this is a really nice way to unwind and kind of block out the work day. So I'm just really excited about where this is going. So that's that. I also stopped at Target today, and I am actually going to link a video. Actually, I'm gonna link 2 videos here. I actually got so inspired this week from watching a fellow YouTuber's videos of her craft room, and we didn't plan it. Her name is Hope. You guys probably know her. It's My Life Full of Hope is her YouTube channel. I absolutely love her, and her crafting space is so it's just so inspirational. And I've been following her for a long time, so I can remember when, you know, she had a totally different setup. I think it was in her hallway, and Hope, if you're watching, you can correct me. But she actually uploaded a craft space video maybe like a day after I did. And like I said, we totally did not plan that, but I was so in the mood for that kind of video. And when I watched hers, I was like, oh my gosh, this is freaking amazing. So I'm going to link, she has it in a couple parts so far. I'm gonna link those down below. The first one actually is kind of an overview of her planning corner, which is just unbelievable when you see how organized she is and how beautiful everything looks. It's color coded. It just looks so neat and just very like the perfect environment to kind of get you in the mood to work on your planner or other paper crafting, I guess. And the second video that she did was of her craft cart, and her craft cart is from Michael's, and it's like the Raskog that I have from IKEA back here. I have 2 of them, but I do plan on getting like 1 or 2 more because I think these carts are so useful. It's just, I love them. So she has hers from Michael's, and so her second video was giving you a tour of her cart, and just crazy, but crazy good. And so she had some of her stickers organized in some small binders, and so I stopped at Target today because I had 1 small binder, but I thought that's a great way to organize stickers. And of course, a long time ago I had my stickers in a big binder, but it was so heavy and clunky and cumbersome that I was like, this is not working. So I ended up taking all of them out, putting them in a box, and now my stickers, if you can see back here, they're kind of in a little box on the top shelf of this Raskog. And what I'm gonna do is take them out of there and actually put them into binders. So if you give me 1 second, I just wanna show you guys what the binders that I got at Target today look like. All right, so I got a couple purchases at Target, and I'm probably gonna do a haul at some point, maybe this week, but I just wanted to show you these things because they're crafting related. And so I got this cutting mat, which is just really sizable. It's very thick, and I think this is going to be super nice. And of course it has like your rulers on it so you can do your measuring and things like that, and it's just really awesome. So I paid $13.99 for this, I think. Little did I know that this Cricut back here would come with 2 mats. But the nice thing is they are different and they're a lot smaller than this one. So I still feel pretty good about this purchase, and I am gonna hold on to it because I think that they're just really handy. When I'm talking about the binders, what I picked up at Target were 4 of these, and this is just a little mini binder, and it's by Green Room. So I thought this was really pretty because it has like some metallic, almost foiling to it, and I really liked it because the spine was nice and colorful, but yet kind of muted, and so I thought that they would look nice side by side. And to go with it, I got 4 packs of these mini binder sheet protectors. So there's 15 in a pack, so this is what I'll actually be putting my stickers into. So point of the story is, Hope, thank you for the inspiration. That is actually how I'm going to reorganize some of my stickers, not all of them, but some of them that are kind of freestanding and aren't part of an actual sticker book. I'm going to kind of take apart and end up putting them in these. Another thing that I'm going to be doing is showing you a tour of this cart here. And so I'm probably going to do it after I get my sticker situation straightened out. And that's something that I plan to do. I talked about it in my craft room tour, and I will link that down below as well. I wanted to give you guys an overview of everything that I have in here. And for the most part, I have like extra makeup bags, pencil pouches, and blank notebooks that I haven't used yet. And I think what I want to do is actually move all my colored pens and pencils and all those things to the top shelf of the cart because I think it'll just be nice and mobile. Let me know if you have watched this entire video, if this is actually a series that you'll be interested in. I know this one was extra chatty, but like I said, going forward, I would really like to do like, you know, some project DIYs and like actually working on things as part of videos, or just sharing with you actual crafty projects and things like that, or makeup stuff, I guess, because this room is my craft room, vanity room, and my home office. So it's kind of a catch-all, but I just wanted to have something that I could film and be chatty with you and actually kind of give you updates and yeah, just get your feedback. So it was nice talking with you. Thank you for spending some time with me. And I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give you an overview because it's been not even a week since I cleaned this room, but it's definitely messy right now because I have some things to open and I have some packages that I received, but I'll explain all that. So if you're interested, just stay tuned for that. And if not, I will say goodbye now, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Okay guys, so here's the craft room again, and I'm happy to say that the floor is still clear, but it's only been a couple days, so give me time and I'm sure I can mess it up again. But in all honesty, I'm going to do my best to actually keep this a very neat and tidy and workable space. So here on the floor I have my work bag, and I just brought that in here because I needed to grab some things out of it before I started filming. And in this corner I have the box that the Cricut came in, and it is a huge box, and this was so heavy, and I'm drinking my water. And then up here, you guys saw this in the last video, and I just have some makeup that I am currently using and trying to find a place for. Those are the binders I got, the Boxy Charm. That is a new ring light. It's exactly like this ring light, but this is a tabletop one, and I just think that lighting makes truly all the difference when you're in a lighting challenge room such as this. Now I do have 2 lamps here, which I think are amazing, but they don't give off any type of useful light. They look very pretty when they're turned on, but for some reason these lampshades look to be stark white, but when you turn the light on, it actually shows up kind of yellow. So I'm not sure if it's just the bulb I have in there or what's going on, but anyway, so I have a tabletop ring light here that I haven't opened yet. And then over here, this is where the Cricut was going to go, but I honestly think that it's too large for this space, so I'm gonna have to try it out. This table was actually going to get moved down into our basement, but it may end up staying here just to kind of hold this machine because it is super wide. So I don't know yet, I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm gonna have to make some decisions pretty soon here. So over here, this is the mat I just talked about in the video. And so here is the drawing pad, and this is the cart I was telling you guys about. And as you can see, it's got tons of bags here, and then in here are tons and tons of stickers that I'm going to reorganize. So over here, I just have some stuff that I took out of the Cricut box, and over there as well. And then here are the other binders that I got from Target. And this little E that I have hanging up is just something I picked up on clearance. I think that came from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, so, and if you guys remember, during Christmas, I made a no-sew pillow out of car drying towels from Dollar Tree, and I put some ribbon around it to make it look kind of like a package. I took the ribbon off, and I'm just gonna kind of leave this here all year round because it's super, super soft, and you guys know how much polyfill is, and this has a lot of polyfill in it, so I'm definitely not going to waste it or discard this pillow. It's really, really nice, actually. It feels just super soft. And guys, that's it. That's everything. So again, thanks for watching. Let me know if you like the idea of this type of video, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Take care.